All right, well, uneventful flight, a little bit bumpy down to Lewiston here to pick up this part for the brokerage plane back in Coeur d'Alene. We pulled up here at Hillcrest Aviation, which is the FBO down here. They also happen to be a Bell Helicopter Service Center. They do avionics installs as well. So let's walk inside and see what's going on. All right, looks like here's our cylinder here. Yep, that's our customer right there. So you can look around here. Pretty nice FBO here in Lewiston. Let's walk down the way here, see if we can get into their shop and look around. There's Keith there. If we could take a look at your shop. We just came in to pick up that part, but wanted to show people around the Hillcrest program. So
we'll go right through this way.
I guess we'll follow.
Those are Bell 285A1.
So
Bell 407.
So Keith, what all do you guys do here on helicopters?
We're a Bell service center.
Okay.
And an avionics shop, and we work on our own aircraft and customer aircraft. We currently operate 10 helicopters, and then we have about 7 customer helicopters that we work on.
Okay. And what type of work do you do with your helicopters?
We do mainly wildland firefighting, but we're a utility operator that we will work for local power line companies.
Okay.
Construction.
A little bit of everything. Yeah. How long have you guys been in business?
Since 1956.
Wow. Yeah, it's quite a shop here. You mind if we walk around?
Not at all.
What are you guys doing to this one?
This is a 12-month inspection and then a 60-month as well.
Wow.
So on the 60-month, we got to open all the gearboxes and check for corrosion.
Yeah. What kind of hours does it take to do something like that?
Oh, you're probably looking at 100 man-hours.
Huh. Yeah, it's pretty darn cool. So we're going to head out to the avionics shop and see what's going on out there. Thank you. The other nice thing when you come to the Lewiston Airport, if you pre-arrange it with Hillcrest, the golf course is right across the way. You can park here, go golf, and then have them top you off on fuel and head back out. So it's pretty good location if you're a golfer. This is their avionics shop. Looks like they're all Garmin, Dynon. Yeah, this is nice.
So this is our 210 that we've owned since new.
Oh, wow.
78
Okay.
Mic model.
Yep.
And putting in new Garmin autopilot, and it's got 530 and 430.
Yep. This thing, have you guys ever painted it?
It got repainted last year.
Okay, I was gonna say, that thing is perfect.
It was in pretty good shape. It was just the year of the flaking paint.
Yeah, yep. What do you guys, what's the primary use for it?
We use it to support our crews out in the field.
Yeah. Yeah, perfect machine for that. Is that a 150 on big tires or a 172?
That is a 150. 150, 150.
150, oh, okay. So this is your normal Cessna 150 trainer plane that's normally 100 horse Continental 0200, but it sounds like this one you can see has the Airstrike front nose fork, the big tires, and then Keith said it has a 150 horse motor in it, so that thing's probably quite the machine. So a little Hughes 269 helicopter. It's about as basic as you can get, but functional.
Yep.
That's a Pilatus PC-12. That is a really, really common charter plane, private plane. It's nice because they're, what, 260 knot cruise, pretty much haul anything you put in them. Super comfortable cabin. Holy moly, look at this thing. Yeah.
Fresh overhauled engine. And
did they change it out from the H2AD or stick with that?
we stuck
Stuck with that, yeah. Yeah, that's really sharp. It's a freaking time capsule. Did you guys do the panel in it?
We did, yep. So and that's the Avionics package.
Yeah. So 172M? Looks like N, okay. Yeah. Is it turbo?
Yep.
Okay.
Turbo, intercooled.
Looks like it's about an 80, 81. Yeah.
And we're the third owners of it.
Wow. Yeah, that's cool. A lot of cool stuff. I love the paint scheme on that. Thanks for showing us around. Super cool to check out the whole operation here at Hillcrest Aviation. If you guys are ever down here to Lewiston, this is the primary FBO, Jet A, 100 low lead. Obviously, they're full avionics shop right next to the golf course. Super cool guys down here, so stop in and say hi to them. Thanks for coming along for a ride with us today. For all of our aircraft, including this one, please go to our website at flycoe.com, click on aircraft sales, and you can see our full inventory. Thanks for coming along.